doctors, right? So we're using this to get a general idea of what's going on in their nervous system, okay? Also, do not be worried if you get a diminished response. It's not abnormal or not average unless you get a different response side to side, okay? So to be of clinical significance, a deep tendon reflex outcome of that test must show a different side to side, okay? And this will make sense as we're doing it. So points number 5 and 6 on your sheet, highlight that. So,
are you saying if one side is weird, as long as the other side's weird,
yep,
it's fine?
If the other side is equally weird, it's fine, okay? So don't be concerned if both of them are equally diminished or both of them are equally exaggerated, okay? To be of clinical significance, you have to have a different side to side. Okay, so to test a biceps reflex, or let's just start with the, let's start with biceps reflex. Okay. So the patient needs to be relaxed, okay? And whenever we're testing so the biceps reflex is actually kind of one of the trickier ones to do with it. You want to have the tendon on stretch, okay, on slight stretch when you're doing the testing. So I'm going to actually pin down her biceps tendon. I'm going to slightly bend her. Yeah, so just so I can hold it, okay? And what I'm going to be looking for, I'm actually going to use the reflex hammer and tap my thumb because that is what's holding the tendon down, okay? So we're looking for just another kind of key point. Don't hold this thing with a death grip, okay? The easiest way to get a false test is to have too much pressure from your hand. So you really want a nice kind of loose grip on the hammer, and it should just swing easily in your hand. Okay. Go ahead and just do that. Oh, sorry, I was that in. Did you see? Good. So what you're looking for is that involuntary reflexive action into the motion of that muscle, right? So it's just, so really sensory neuron up to the spinal cord, synapse with the motor neuron, into this tricep, we got that involuntary bicep reaction. Cool. Okay? So that's the bicep reflex. Now, I don't know anything yet. I got a nice reflex, but I haven't tested her other side, so I can't grade her yet. Okay? So let's test the other side. Sorry, and this is always a challenge for me because this is my, right hand.
Oh, you're lucky.
I know I'm right-handed, but I don't. This is weird for me to do it like this. It's good. That's why I want you guys to practice. Go and just relax. And it also helps if you have the patient just kind of not watch what you're doing. If they're having a hard time relaxing, you can try to distract them. I'm trying to tell you about my forecast. No, but one of the patients was in our acute care scenarios. Yeah. So you have to watch really close, okay? And you don't want to get into like, okay, I'm tapping 100 times. You really just want to do a couple. Now, it looks like they were both the same, side to side, okay, to me. An exaggerated response would be yes. Okay. So let's talk about grading scale for a minute. Okay. So they look the same side to side. I don't think Nesrine has any spinal issues at EC 5-6 level. Okay.
So say it's like, okay, maybe if I miss a couple times, maybe I'm wrong.
Yes.
But what if it's like, when do you say, oh?
Yes. So if you really are, you checked your form, you've got a nice loose grip, you've got a good stretch applied to the tendon, and you're still not getting a response, you may have to utilize the Gendrasic maneuver. Okay. So the Gendrasic, the Gendrasic maneuver basically heightens the nervous system for a moment. So it heightens the input into the nervous system. So what I could do in this case, I'm testing an upper extremity reflex. To try the Gendrasic would include clenching your teeth, okay, and squeezing your legs together. Okay, so if I wasn't getting a response, I could heighten her nervous system, and then so go ahead and try clench, yeah, and
Oh yeah,
Look at that.
it was
Okay.
more.
So now if I were testing a lower extremity reflex, it would be clenching the teeth and putting the hands together. That's the gindrasic, okay? If it was lower extremity, yeah, you would be clenching the teeth and pulling the hands together.
So you're like activating the opposite.
So upper extremity, biceps, triceps, you squeeze the legs together, clench the teeth. Patellar and Achilles, you.
Can you spell that?
I think I'm gonna get into neuro.
It's Jendrassik. Probably somebody's name. Who knows? So the grading scale, okay? So 0 is no response. Okay? A 1 plus, I don't know where the plus comes from. It's not like manual muscle testing. Okay? A 1 plus is a diminished response. Okay? A 2 plus is normal. A 3 plus is exaggerated, and a 4 plus is very brisk or close. Okay?
Wait, what's that?
And it's like that. It's just weird. Yeah. Hopefully you guys never see it, but I have never actually seen a true plumness. So there's videos of it. You can watch it.
It's pretty cool.
It is cool when you see it. Yeah.
It's not cool for them, but
right.
it's like, oh, that's what that is.
So like you won't miss it when you see it. So I have seen. So if somebody has a C5-6 peripheral nerve root injury, you may have like a diminished biceps reflex on that side. Okay, I have seen that in the clinic, and that could maybe indicate a bulging disc at C5-6. All right, I don't know that. Don't diagnose it. Don't evaluate it. But if I see it, I report it back to the PT. Okay, but again, you don't know anything until you test both sides. All right, so don't assign the grade until you know what's normal for both. So that's the biceps. Here's the triceps reflex. Are you okay if I just test your reflexes?
So for them to see it, they want to
So tricep reflex. So I'm not going to pin her down here, but we will actually put it on slight stretch by having her elbow bent just a little bit. So go ahead and that. Maybe just watch her do it. Oh, she did it. Did you see it? So here's my upward.
Seems like that one you could like easily use your own hand
Yeah.
accidentally.
Yeah, don't like do that.
That's all.
Hold on. How do I-
Scarecrow.
Yeah. Can you see that? Yeah, perfect.
It's fine. It's
Yeah.
a little.
A little bit. So triceps is actually fairly challenging to elicit, I think. Here's the patellar reflex. There you go. So I like to use the broader side of the reflex hammer for the patellar reflex. So let me have you scoot forward just a little tiny bit. And just when I say put it on stretch, I just mean a little bit of stretch on it. So go ahead and just bend your knee just a tiny little bit. And you want to actually hold it right about there.
When I'm bending it, I feel like I'm resisting the reflex.
Yeah, so don't get too hung up on that. Just know that you want it to be a slight stretch. What I'm saying is you wouldn't test it out here, right? You need a little bit of stretch on that tendon. So just relax and okay. Sorry. Wrong. So you're actually trying to get right on that quad tendon.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
Like tibial tuberosity.
Yeah, tibial tuberosity.
So you're using the big side.
There you go. I like to use the big side on the knee. Okay, I like to use the smaller side on the
That's the only one I've ever had done.
Yeah.
Is the knee one. I don't think there's anyone.
And then here's the Achilles reflex. So
My boob.
we're gonna put, so for the Achilles reflex, we are gonna slightly dorsiflex her. I'm just gonna be tapping the Achilles tendon. And this one's cool because you can feel it when the foot goes into plantar flexion. So you can usually see her foot jerk a little bit too. Here's my left hand, we'll see how I do. Just go ahead and sorry. So you should anticipate me. I have to dorsiflex her. Okay? Let's try the gindrasik. So cleanse your teeth and your hands. Yeah. There
Oh
we
yeah.
go.
That's so good. That's so cool.
If I don't know anything yet, I'm not going to grade her because I haven't done the other side.
So because we did that, the gymnastic for one side, we have to do it for the other?
If you're having a hard time eliciting the responses when you do the gindrasik, so to keep it consistent, I would do it
We'd make a note of that.
So that it's the same way each time then?
Yep. So, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
So cool.
That's
Okay.
so weird.
So, practice. Try it. Biceps, triceps, Achilles, and patellar.